If you are in a way to manifest abundance, I'll be just closing again. Yeah. If you are in a place to manifest abundance, you can't see yourself as a tiny little me. How will I ever reach there? I don't have a job, or I just have a job. I am a housewife. I'm just this. How will I get this much? You can't be itna and think of this much. Your money desire should be a dot in front of you. You should be bigger than the money desire. Getting it? That amount should look like a dot to you. Whatever desire, whether it is 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 10 crore, 100 crore, or whatever example we have taken, 90 lakhs, whatever it is, the money desire that you have written should look like a dot, and you should be much more bigger than that. Now you might be thinking, okay Manisha, but how to do it? For me, to that money desire only looking like a giant, and I am looking like a piddi chotu ki ye to kahan se hoga, and how will it happen, and how will it happen? So if your mind is going in, how will it happen? How will it happen? That's what we are doing it. So don't worry about how will it happen. And a very specific exercise that has helped a lot of people and that I have taught, but in different chunks. I have not done it together like a money thing only, where every class is a money talk that we are doing. It is known as money giant. Okay? Giant. So rather than you looking like a piddi chotu, you are a giant in front of the money, and the money reality is just a normal part of your life. Do you ever wonder ki, oh my god, I have so much of oxygen, wow? Do you feel like that? No. You feel it's normal to have oxygen. ये तो normal है ना भाई, जीने के लिए तो चाहिए ही. Do you feel, oh my god, I have so much of water, oh my god, I have so much of petrol to put in my car? You don't think like that, right? So why are you thinking like this when it comes to money desire? You can't. Money is also like petrol, money is also like food, money is also like water, right? It's important to survive, yes or no? It's important to survive on this earth. So start treating money also like same, like till the time oxygen is there, money will also be there in my life, rather than worrying about it, right? More you are worrying and more you are creating the worrying energy, more you are attracting that. Now let's change that reality for you. So all of you will reply in the chat so that I know that we are in the same page, and then I'll give you time to write it. Don't worry. Okay, that is the exercise. I'll give you the time. If you are very, very, very rich, okay, very rich, okay, just think about it. You are just truly rich, abundant. You think of something and you want to buy one kapda and they bring the entire shop to your house. You want to get one and they are like, ma'am, sare le jaiye. Are you getting it? So just truly imagine you're truly, truly rich, and that doesn't mean that all of us will have Gucci and Prada. All of us have a different thing that we are going to do with money. Yes or no? Some of us are going to travel more. Some of us are going to work on ourselves more. Some of us are going to maybe get into a new house. Some of us are going to spend the entire money on charity. Some of us are going to spend the entire money on our people we love. Whatever you do. So if you are very, very rich, where are you standing? In your imagination, where will you be standing? So I will be standing near my 6 BHK near a beach. Okay, so I'm just standing near my 6 BHK, which is near a beach. So here is the beach and here is my 6 BHK. I'm standing in the garden. Where are you standing if you are truly, truly abundant and rich? Where are you standing? Let me know. Where are you standing? Answer it. If you're truly, truly rich, where are you standing? It can be for the Forbes magazine, or it can be on stage, it can be in your beautiful house, outside your house, or business class seat. Where are you standing? If you're truly, truly very, very rich. Let me know in the chat. All answers are the right answer, don't worry. Where are you standing? How come 9 people have joined today? Somebody else. Where are you standing? In my dream home and studio. Okay, great. Art studio. Yes, good. Harshita, I have joined from mobile and laptop. Oh, okay. It's okay, Harshita. Nothing to worry. I was just wondering ki somebody might have joined from 2 places. Yeah, it's okay. That's not my concern, so don't worry. I was just thinking. Next, where will you be standing? I'm standing in my own office space. Beautiful, in my own office space. Boss lady. Where are you standing? All of you, where are you standing? Have you written or have I missed it? I'm standing in my own office space. Where are you standing? Megha? Mallika? Where are you standing? If you're truly, truly rich, where are you standing in your imagination? I'm standing on a stage addressing thousands of people. God bless you. Absolutely beautiful. So you took the courage to book the entire hall and you distributed the tickets because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. TEDx Europe, beautiful. Okay, great. Anjali will invite you. Harshita, unable to imagine. Unable to imagine. Create a made up Harshita. If you are unable to imagine, it's fine. Okay, today is the first day. You missed the first one. It's okay. Give a made up scenario. Create something. On the airport. Beautiful. Mallika is standing on the airport. International airport. Okay. Beautiful. You also think something, Harshita. Anything. Okay. Anything is the right answer. Just think of it. Currently you are going through so much that I can understand that it is difficult for you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just create something. Jhoota hi sahi. Create it. It's not coming in your imagination. Just create it. Now. Okay. Next. What am I wearing? What are you wearing on the airport? What are you wearing in your TEDx talk? What are you wearing in your stage addressing thousands of people? There should be a special dress na, for that. What are you wearing as a CEO boss lady? There will be some special dress. What are you wearing? Come on. What are you wearing, all of you? Write down. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Coach like dress. Beautiful. Mallika is wearing coach like dress. Absolutely, Mallika, you are on the path to become that. Already that. Why in the path? Sangeeta is wearing white formal jumpsuit with a white handbag. Okay, I can imagine you. Jennifer is wearing suit or sari on TEDx Europe, dress, shorts. Okay, both. Okay. Megha is wearing most beautiful one piece. Okay, beautiful. I hope I have read all of that. Okay. Anjali is wearing blazer, suit with gold and diamond jewelry. Amazing, beautiful. Love that. All right. So more detailed it will be. What are you wearing? Which color it is? You can change the dress on the TEDx talk. You can change the dress when we will be the boss lady. It's fine, right? Decide the dress today. Okay, all right. Next, how am I looking? So there is a mirror there. You can just see a mirror there. And you're looking yourself in that mirror. Okay? How are you looking? Give one compliment for yourself or give one word for yourself. How are you looking? You're looking yourself in the mirror and you are giving yourself a one compliment. What's the compliment and how are you looking? I'm looking confident, sharp and bright. Love that. Detail, beautiful, confident, sharp and bright. Anjali is looking confident, sharp and bright. Jennifer is looking charismatic. Love that. Megha is looking like energy goddess. Wow. Love that. Malika is looking super classy and royal. Wow. Loving the words. Beautiful. That's the kind of words I would love you to imagine. Okay. How am I smelling? Are you smelling Dior? Are you smelling musk? Are you smelling roses? Are you smelling what all smells are? Citrus, fruit, fruity. What are you smelling? How are you smelling? Sangeeta Sharma, stunning. One word. Beautiful. Okay. Flowery. Okay. Flowery smell. Malika has put a flowery smell. Okay. Let me see what Anjali has put, a rosy smell. Okay. Beautiful. Jennifer has put a blue water smell. Blue water smell. Wow. Okay. It's a very different smell. Okay. Blue water smell. Some perfume is there. Blue water. Okay. Sangeeta is white out. Yeah. Beautiful smell. Okay. Sangeeta is smelling of that. Put on that, all of you. Okay, next. I think we covered all of that. Whatever is coming is fine. Don't worry about it. Okay. Next. What all am I seeing around me? What all are you seeing around you? Now, this is one exercise that has really helped people to get over debt. This has really helped people to start a new thing. That has really helped people to get what they want in life. So I would really love you to do it with complete seriousness, though I'm trying to make it in a easier manner. It's a very important exercise. Very important exercise, okay? What all am I seeing? What all can you see around you? So you are standing there in the TEDx talk. You are there standing in your office space. You are there standing in your place. What all can you see near your house? Can you see people cheering for you? Can you see a beautiful swimming pool which is yours? Can you see? What can you see? What are you seeing? Can you see your family around? Can you see your friends around? Can you see me around? Whom can you see? Write it. What all am I seeing? Write it. What all can you see? In that imagination, where is it? What all? Megha, millions of people applauding for me and calling my name. Yes, some are there and some are there on the Zoom. Right? How will millions of people fit? So some are there in the Zoom, some are there, and some millions of followers are seeing up together. Okay. Sangeeta, my happy family and fellow artists with artworks. Yes. Love that scenario. Anjali, I'm seeing myself in a podcast room taking celebrity interviews. Love that. Beautiful. Amazing. Sangeeta is, okay, Sangeeta, I've read. Okay. What am I thinking? What are you thinking at that point? Malika is saying, my loved one are proud of me, and you can see the proud faces of them. Love that. Jennifer, family and friends. Okay, beautiful, Jennifer. Great. Now, what am I thinking? So you are at the place where you wanted to, right? Now at that stage, what are you thinking in your head? What are you thinking in your head? Are you thinking, oh my God, I feel so blessed. God has been really kind. Or really, this is happening for real or what? What are you thinking? What's there in your head? Lucky and blessed. Beautiful. Love that. Malika is feeling lucky and really blessed. How are you feeling when you have got what you were thinking? Megha, I'm giving gratitude to the universe for choosing me for impacting millions. Love that. Anjali, feeling grateful and magical. Truly magical money, absolutely magical thing are going to happen. Anjali, grateful and magical. Sangeeta, gratitude towards universe and you, and proud of myself. Love that. Absolutely. Love that. Amazing. Last, how am I feeling? So you are thinking this. I'm just breaking it down because you're doing it for the first time. You are feeling this. Ki, wow, yaar. I'm feeling so grateful and magical. How does it feel to feel grateful and magical? Some of you have written the feelings only. Doesn't matter. Go in that. How are you feeling in your heart? Leave your this outside when you'll be doing this. For 21 days, use your heart more. Heart is the gateway to actually get the things, not this. We have used this a lot. And we have made ourselves more confused and more in a different direction. Use your heart a little bit more. You don't know what your heart can do, your mind can never do. You don't know what your heart can create. Nowadays, so many researches are going on. Joe Dispenza talks about it so much, that if your heart is in coherence with what you want at all times, there is no way it's not going to come in your reality, because every reality is existing in one of the dimensions of the universe. It's just that which door you are going to open and which door you are going to go into. And how will you go into that door? With your vibration. Whatever vibration you will be vibrating with, you will be opening up that door and reaching there. Okay? How am I feeling? Got it, all of you? So I'll give you 5 minutes. Create your money giant, or 3 minutes today. 3 minutes. We will work on it again tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow again money giant will be there because it is such an importance. So come on. So think about it, all of you. Write your money giant. Answers to everything that you have given me right now, write down.
Manisha, can you go back to the previous slide? I just want to note down the pointers so that I can do it later. Thanks.
answer that I don't forget is I made my one-to-one. She was going through the coaching certification, and in one of the class, I made her do this. Okay, and then I asked ki, what are you thinking in your head? So it was like the full meditation. I was making her close her eyes and really go through the experience. And then I asked, like, what are you thinking? And she answered, I'm thinking, ma'am, am I in a movie right now? And I just loved it so much. Am I in a movie right now? Till now, I don't forget that. Am I in a movie? And the way she said it, I'm thinking, am I in a movie right now? That means how beautifully and with intensity she might have seen that, right? Okay. Now, today only this beautiful affirmation has came. I live an awesome, loving life where all areas of my life are filled with love. I love it. If you love it, take this. Passing it. I live an, let's do it together, all of you. Put your hand on your heart. I live an awesome, loving life where all my areas are filled with love. Again, I live an awesome, loving life where all my areas are filled with love. And let love fill your heart completely when you are speaking about love. You should really feel that love in your heart. I live an awesome, loving life where all areas of my life are filled with love. Because more you can generate this beautiful emotion, it will be so much beautiful for you, because you will be sitting in that love the whole day. The people who will come in contact with you will get that love, will feel that love, and the world needs it. And you will attract so much awesome things in life. How beautiful. Har taraf se fayda. Okay? So just sit in love more. Alright. Let's move. All of you go and reach out to your wallet. Bring your wallet, or if you don't have a wallet, open up your bank account. Either open up your bank account, or if you have a wallet, perfect, Jennifer, works. Perfect, Megha. Get your wallet. Or if you don't have a wallet, like me, get your bank account. Open that. Okay, all of you open that. Open up where you can see your balance. Now, normally when we see our balance, how do you feel? Oh my God, only this much left. Oh, I have just wasted this much. Oh, I have just used this much. Right? Give more love. Okay. Now you are going to do something different every time you will look for your balance. What are you going to do? You're going to look at the balance, whatever it is, and if you're not liking the number, what I do, just do your eyes chinny mini and just look at that massive number that you want. For example, if it's whatever, if it's 1 lakh and what you are looking for in your account is 10 lakhs, I would love you to just put your eyes a little bit chotu and just see 10 lakhs. Count it galti se 10 lakhs. Are you getting me what I'm trying to say? Count it 10 lakhs. Rather than looking at it and counting it small, count it more. And you have to say this affirmation. Look at it and let's do it. Look at your wallet, look at your bank account, look at your balance and say this. You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. And just see, it's loading up with everything that you want. The universe is showering its blessings and is there. You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. And just fold your hand hold your hands, and be extremely grateful for the amount that you saw. Be extremely grateful from your heart. Really say thank you for coming in my life. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you for coming in my life, and I really appreciate you. I really do. Let your heart come out and do that. And now see, the numbers increasing up completely. Say thank you. I appreciate you. Beautiful. Open up your eyes. Lot of beautiful stuff will happen. It will start, and it has started. The momentum has started. And as and when you will be seeing it happening, I would love you to share up so that I know this is working for you completely, and I can have you get into more of these kind of sessions, right? Because if I know it is working for you, you are the right person to go more of this, like this. All right, let's go ahead. Now, open up your phone pay where you have done 2,000 paid to the grocery, 20,000 paid to the school, okay, 5,000 paid to the grocery bills, 10,000 paid for the maid, whatever it has gone. This is known as arigato money. And what are you going to say is, as I was speaking in the first, there is no money called as money spent. If you were not knowing this, let me just break that for all of you. There is no money known as money spent, because when you spend money, more money actually, you open up the gate so that more money can come from that gate. If you are getting me, it's like a beach that you are putting up. But if you are going to spend with broken energy, oh my God, with that pinch in your heart, anybody who feels the pinch when you spend that phone pay ka tang aata hai and you feel that pinch, if you feel that pinch, just raise your hand. Yes. Okay, thank you for being honest. If you feel that pinch, it went. Now replace that every time you are paying or you are receiving, both the cases. When you are paying somebody, paying the grocery, paying the XYZ, or you are receiving money, and we do it with both. When the salary come tongue, that also we see as इतना ही आया यार इस बार, पता नहीं 500 कहाँ कट गया, या 2000 इस बार bonus नहीं आया, right? So in both the cases, when you are spending and when you are receiving, I would love you to put your hands together and say I really appreciate it, rather than saying ये बहुत कम आया, ये बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा हो गया, या फिर मैंने तो यहाँ कर दिया. Because when you spend money with the good energy, you are opening up the gate for the more good energy to flood in. And if you are spending with the crappy energy, you will struggle in your life financially. That may be that one important block that you will remove today itself. Every time money is going to come, I appreciate the flow of financial blessings in my life. What are you going to say? I appreciate the flow of financial blessings in my life. To test this, I don't know this example is how much suitable, but okay, which ways I'll give you. So I've kept one jar. I'll show you if I can. I'll show you if it comes. So I've kept one jar and I've kept all the sikka there. Okay? So that if I need sikka to pay to somebody, I have it. And I've kept it near God, and I've just thought of it in my mind. It's God's money. Okay? It's God's money. Sikke wala potli. So it's God's money. Okay, I've just thought it in my mind. It's God's money. And I want to test this, that there is a flow happening. So I have just filled it once and I've kept it there. And whenever I see that I don't have change, because normally we are living in a cashless, so I have given 100, 150 also with this small jar. This is not chota sa jar, if you can see, not a big jar. But I'm using it since last, I think, 2 years, but it has never gone zero. I've given 100, 150 rupees, 200 rupees also at once. At once. When I don't have change and they want change only, or they want something, I give count sikka, 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 and then I give. But still it's completely full. That's what I want to show you. That's how life operates. But you have not crappy energy, have a loving energy. Getting me, all of you? Right? Next. So let's do it. 2 minutes, I'll play the music. Open up your bank account statement. See the all your expenses or where the flow of money has gone, and say, I appreciate it. Where you are paid, see you are paid and it's rushing back to you. You are paid 477, it's coming 4770. Right? That is how I would love you to see. So let's do it. I'll put up the music. Got it, all of you? I think I made it very confusing. My daughter started crying, leaving for now. It's okay, Ashita. Open up the music. Done it. Make it a routine to do it every Monday. Every Monday you will open up all your expenses, or the money that you received, or the money that went to create beautiful things in your life. I would love you to appreciate it from your heart. I appreciate you, I appreciate you, I appreciate you, I appreciate you. That's the sentence you can keep using. Got it, all of you? If you got it, just write got it, and how you felt after doing it if you have done it. If you have done it in the right manner, just let me know how you felt after doing this, appreciating every bit of money that came in or you gave in. How are you feeling in your heart? Whose video is not? Yeah. Megha is feeling that money is overflowing. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. That's the feeling I would love you to maintain. How are you feeling when you did that? I appreciate you, because we do not appreciate. We want it. Just think of that person whom you want, but you do not appreciate. You want that person to be in your life, but every time that person comes, you are just, इतनी लेट आए, कभी आते ही नहीं हो टाइम पे, आते भी हो तो इतने से टाइम के लिए आते हो और गायब हो जाते हो. You are just criticizing it all times. That's about money. We want it, but we are criticizing, which is fine. We are in just LKG admitted today. So that's completely fine. We don't have to go in guilt and then go in a negative emotion. That's completely okay. Just forgive. Yeah. I don't feel I lost anything from my pocket. That's so beautiful. Money loves me a lot. Money loves me the way I do. That means you are getting closer. Love that. I looked at the inflow and the outflow both. Yes, both you had to. Good. So for both you will have to, both you need to appreciate what is coming in and what's going on. Right? Okay, beautiful. Let's go to the last homework. What can I upgrade? What can I upgrade about myself or in my environment so that I feel little bit better about my environment? Today only order after the class. Whatever you want to. What can I upgrade about myself or in my environment? Upgrade means if you use 50 rupees pen, buy a 500 rupees pen. It can be anything, doesn't matter. Just upgrade. Just upgrade it. All right. With this, we are done with our day 2, our LKG class, basic alignment. So perfect. So give me one word, one thing that was your takeaway from the session. Because when you discuss your takeaway, you remember it. One thing that you will remember from today onwards. One thing that will stick. One thing that you remember till the end now. Tell me one thing and then I will let you all go. I looked at the info. Airwick room freshener. You are buying up? Sangeeta? Okay. Good. Great. One thing that is your takeaway. That you are going to remember it or you are going to use it. Today is my fast, so my husband has given me milk. Yahi pe. theek hai. Okay. I should, yeah. Megha is saying I'm abundantly rich. Okay. That means money giant one, I guess. Correct? Okay. Anjali is saying I should think of more and bigger. Beautiful. I'm bigger than any amount of money that I'm asking from the universe. And always remember your money is flowing between you and the universe. There is nobody in between. Not your boss, not XYZ. It's only between two. Universe and you. That's the transaction that you're doing. You're not doing with the people, you're doing with the universe. That's the transaction. So you don't have to think, oh, this boss is very conjuice, I am sure he's not going to do. You don't have to think now, it will come from somewhere because you deserve it. Are you getting me? That's the thing. I should think of more and bigger. Love that. Appreciate when money goes outside. Yes, so much important, so much needed, and you will see results like miracles if you try this. That every time it goes, appreciate it. Give 2 rupees extra. 2 rupees if you can. Sangeeta, all the affirmations. Yes, I appreciate the loving life. I'm looking outside. I already am what I seek. Yes, you are the money. You are the money giant. We are not attracting abundance. I am abundance. I am the money. I am that. I am. Right? Getting it, all of you? I hope you will remember it, and we will see tomorrow, Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Good night. Sit with doing the money giant. Sleep with the money giant in your head going on, and then sleep. Okay? Sending you lots of love. Bye. Take care. Love.
Manisha, I am using it well.
What? Oh, beautiful. Good. Love that. Looking very great, looking great on you.
So comfy.
Love that. Bye. Take care.